KRA has updated its official car valuation list. This new CRSP 2025 guide could increase your total car import tax by tens of thousands. CRSP stands for Current Retail Selling Price. It's the value that KRA assigns to different car models, and it's what they use to calculate your import duty, excise duty, and VAT. Your CRSP directly affects your total tax. The higher the CRSP, the more you will pay in taxes. Even 100,000 Kenya shillings increase could lead to 40,000 shillings more in taxes. In 2025, KRA added new car models, removed outdated ones, and revised prices for some older cars. The new list is already in effect, and it affects any car being cleared now. Let's take an example. In 2024, the CRSP over 2017 Toyota Axio was 950,000. In 2025, it's now listed at 1,050,000. That difference alone could raise your tax bill by over 60,000 shillings. This update affects car importers, clearing agents, and anyone planning to buy a car abroad. If you are bringing in a car in 2025, you need to check the CRSP first. You can find the full CRSP list on the KRA website. Go to Customs, then CRSP, and download the latest PDF for 2025. Check your exact car model and year before importing. Many people import cars without checking the CRSP and then get shocked by the unexpected taxes. Always confirm the current value first. This one step could save you thousands. So let's recap. CRSP is what KRA uses to value your car. The 2025 update is live. Higher CRSP means higher taxes. So always check the list before buying or importing any car. Have a question about your car's CRSP? Drop it in the comments. Next, we will show you how to calculate your total import duty in 2025. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on car taxes, import duty, and clearance tips.